Hello everybody, I'm Diane from Ideal Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to generate randomization lists with randomizeR. RandomizeR is an R package that we developed in the course of the Ideal project to investigate new methods for small population group trials. Particularly, we were interested whether different randomization procedures have different properties in small population group trials. So in order to show you how to generate a randomization list, I want to show you the following example. Let's say we have a clinical trial with 12 patients and 3 treatments, say the standard treatment, a low-dose treatment, and a high-dose treatment. And we want to allocate equally many patients per group using random allocation rule. So we can download the randomizeR package from the web, either by going on the web by a browser or downloading it directly from the console. So let's go ahead to our favorite R editor and download the randomizeR package directly from the console. Okay, so we type install packages, randomizeR. Okay, we have to use the double quotes here. And this will get the randomizeR package from the web. In case you have not yet installed some packages like ggplot2, you might be asked to install them before you can install randomizeR. Okay, but that already worked. So now we can load with the library command the randomizeR package to our workspace. Okay, that also worked. And now we can use all the functionality provided by randomizeR. Okay, so we said we want to have a trial for 12 patients with 3 treatment groups. And we had the groups, we had the standard treatment, we had the low-dose treatment, and we had the high-dose treatment. Okay, and we want to use the random allocation rule. So randomizeR provides the RAR function in order to generate an object representing random allocation rule with these parameters. So we have to pass the number of treatment groups, K, the total sample size N, and the group names. Okay, so this generates an object. I call this now par, that contains all the information about the randomization procedure. And with this information, we can generate a randomization list using the gensec command, abbreviation for generate sequence, and pass the parameter object to the function. Okay, and this creates an object including all the information about the randomization procedure as well as the randomization sequence. As you can see, the sequence is fairly large, 12 elements, so in order to not overflow your output, we decided to abbreviate the sequence from the output. Instead, in order to print the sequence, we provide the getRandList, abbreviation for getRandomizationList function, where you can pass the object R in order to get the randomization list on the screen or save it to some object if you want to. Okay, now you have your randomization sequence in R, but you might want to use it, for example, in order to print it or to save it in some place. And so we provide the save rand function in order to save the randomization list along with all the other information in a file. Okay, and now I want to save the randomization list in the folder that I created for the tutorial. And I will name my list my list.csv. Okay, and now we can go to the folder and see that my function created the randomization list as a CSV file, which I can now open, for example, in Excel. And what I see here is that I have all the information about the randomization procedure along with the allocations per patient. And I can put that into columns like that. Okay, ready. So now we can see that, for example, the first patient is allocated to the low dose group, the second is allocated to the high dose group, and so on. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't hesitate to ask in case you have any further questions. Bye!